Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software, and this steel plate is design here, and this design is a new design looking perfect, and this 3D body is design, and this plate is new design created here, and how to learn this all process and all step is clear today, and all is perfect design here. And this is a multi-section view, and also isometric view is drawing here. Okay, this is a perfect and isometric view is drawing. This is a correct okay, and this isometric view, and this front and this back side is also looking perfect okay, and this is a boundary is also clear. Okay, this is a perfect looking here. Okay, so nice this body design here. Okay, and guys, this body and this 3D steel plate is designed, and how to design this body created here, and all method is learn here, a step by step process. Okay guys, let's start here. And at first select a plane, at first mechanical design, and use a generative sheet metal design. Okay, and okay, this is a correct okay, this is a perfect and some use a XY plane, and position a sketch, sweep, reverse vertical, and okay, this is a perfect okay, this is a so nice here. And use a circle. Okay, this is a correct. Mention any dimension. This dimension is a 215 is correct. Okay, this is a 215 is correct and exit. Okay, and at first drawing this sheet metal parameters, because all command is not activated, and this sheet metal parameters, click here, and sheet metal parameters dialog box is pop up, and this thickness is 1 mm and default bend radius is also 4 mm is correct, but this value is changeable, and you can easily change here this value. Okay, and click OK. And okay, at first select a wall is this, and invert material direction, this is correct, and all plane is hide because this body is looking perfect and some use a this is a correct shading with edge, because this edge is select here. Okay, this is a correct at first select this face, and position a sketch is drawing, and sweep, reverse vertical, and click OK. This is a perfect and some use a axis is drawing here. Okay, this is a correct okay, this is a, and again select this okay, all is perfect, all is green color means all is fully defined, and some use a profile is drawing this. Okay, this is a correct okay, so nice here. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a this corner first, second, this is a correct and also okay, this is a perfect and also this is a perfect, and okay, this is a this is a 10 okay, radius is 10 mm is correct, and all is a 10 mm is correct. Okay, this is also 10 mm is correct, and some distance is this, and again select this distance and this. Okay, and this is a 60 millimeter is perfect, and also 60 millimeter is perfect, and also this is a 60 millimeter is perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect. This is a correct, and also change the value is 60. Okay, 65 is better, and also 65 is better, and this is a 65 is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. 70 is correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, 70 is also better. Okay, 70 is correct. This is a looking so nice here. All is perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and again select use this a mirror, and select this is a correct, and select a mirror command is used here, and select this and click this. Okay, and again select mirror, and this is a select here. Okay, this is a right click and use a edit, and again select this mirror command is used. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and select this. Oh, okay, all is perfect, and click exit. Okay, and some use this surface stamp, and this dialog box is pop up, and all value is setting here. This is angle is 90 degree is correct, but this height is 30 millimeter is better, and click this and preview is showing here. This is a correct, and first radius is 5 millimeter, and again select second radius is 5 millimeter is correct. Okay, and click OK, and again this is a 3 is better, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and again select this is a 6 preview is showing here. Okay, this is a perfect. All is looking so nice here, and again select this radius is a 2 millimeter is correct. Okay, okay, and this is a use a shading with edge without a smooth edge, because this boundary is click here. Okay, this is a perfect, and use a some teardrop is used here, and this is a correct. Okay, and this length is 1.1 millimeter, and again select this is a 1 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a 2 millimeter, and also this is a 2 millimeter is better, but this is a 1 millimeter is correct, and this is a okay preview is this is a correct. Okay, this is a looking so nice here, and click a shading with material, and use a material is select here a metal, and this is a steel. Okay, click OK. Okay, this is a correct, and this steel is right click and use a property, and this reflectivity is very high, and use a okay, this is a perfect, and all is looking so nice here. Okay, this is a perfect, and also isometric view is correct, and also this is a back side is also looking perfect, and all is learn clearly. Okay, this is a correct. Okay guys, next, okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, all process is learn here easily and clearly. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Next project is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.